So you got your new AA Prisma heat press, but some assembly required? What's going on YouTube? Estevan here with All American Print Supply. In today's video, we're going to take you start to finish on full assembly and operation on the new AA Prisma Auto Clam, as well as brand new accessories, talking about the lower Platens. If this is your first time on the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, make sure you tap the post notification bell, and drop some thumbs up while we're at it. While there is some assembly required on your new Prisma Auto Heat Press, the setup is very quick. The first thing we're going to be doing is attaching our control box here to the top of the heat press machine. Now your press came with 4 of these twist fast knob screws, and we're going to use these to connect the control box to the frame of the press at these mounting holes here. So we're just going to go ahead and line this up like so, bring that on in. Super quick and easy. Now we're just going to repeat those same 2 steps on this side of the press. Now we turn the machine around so we can get a viewpoint where we're going to be making some electrical connection attachments right here. I'm going to start with this rainbow braided cord here, and we'll match up the metal on this white clip to the metal on this white clip and attach it securely. Next, we're going to connect our 5-prong aviation cable to the underside of the machine. We're going to go ahead and remove this protective cover. After you've connected the 5-prong cable, you want to use this fastener here to make sure it is nice and secure. Next, we're going to take our 2-prong aviation cable and connect it also to the underside of the control box. After you've attached it, same thing. Make sure you secure that fastening ring nice and tight. Lastly, let's go ahead and connect our 3-prong power cable to the back of the control box. It's right below our power button. And there we have it, fully assembled and connected to power. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Now, we must advise only connecting to grounded circuits that are 20 amps or above. We would not advise anything below a 15 amp grounded outlet circuit. Additionally, it is advised to always connect your heat press directly to a wall outlet without the use of extension cords or power strips. Now, we're proud to offer the AA line of Prisma heat presses in industry standard 16 by 20 heat press Platen sizes. However, we do have a variety of different options here for you to choose from. Let's take a look at these sizes. We got the 4x4, the 6x10, the 8x10, the 6x20, the 11x15, the 12x16, and the 15x15. Now, while we are big fans of the 16x20 sizing and the included lower Platen protector for faster loading and unloading, for smaller garments, such as children's or ladies' tees, because of the sizing, you may not be able to get even contact because the stitches of the sleeves are actually on the heat press. That's where this library of assorted lower Platen sizes come into mind, and they're super quick to swap out. Let's take a look at how we do that. So we're just gonna take the lever that's underneath my Platen, facing frontward, dial it back, and now this is easily removed from the base of the heat press. Let's go ahead and put this aside. On your interchangeable lower Platens, you're gonna have a mounting point that has the shape of a plus sign and then a corresponding bracket right here this is gonna attach to. So we're just gonna go ahead, position that here. Now right now it's not locked in, but when I bring the lever over to the front, nice and secure, and this can definitely handle all of my smaller garments, other kind of awkward placements, no seams, even contact. Wow. Let's take a look at how we operate this machine. Here we are on the control board. Let's take a look at these settings. Up first, we're gonna go ahead and press our set button. Now, using our up or down arrows, we can enter the temperature that we wish to be applying heat at. After you've entered your correct settings, let's go ahead and press set. And now we can enter our timer. You'll have second options ranging from 0 to 99 seconds. And using our up and down arrows, we can enter the exact amount of time we want. After we've entered our desired seconds, go ahead and press the set button again. And this is gonna be our counter. And go ahead and leave this as is and begin production. Lock everything in by pressing set. All right, now let's take a look at our actual display board when the heat press is closed. Up top here, the amount of seconds you enter will begin to start ticking down. And right here, you're gonna have a readout of how much pressure we're applying, with number values from 0 to 9, with the higher numbers being more pressure. And because it's an auto-open heat press, it will not open until the end of the countdown. So if you need to open it before the end of the ticker, go ahead and press this emergency release button on the side of the box. Now, just a few things we gotta mention for safest and best operation. Failure to follow these instructions as outlined can result in erratic behavior of the machine, inaccurate displays or slow heat up, or damage to the internals. So please follow the outlined guidelines as we've described. And there we have it. We hope you enjoy your brand new AA Prisma Auto Clam Heat Press machine. For more information or the instruction manual, you can go ahead and visit our website, aaprintsupplyco.com, or hit the product link in the description below. If If you've made it this far and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Tap the post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome content, and drop some thumbs up for this informative video. If you do have any questions, you can drop that in the section below. It's gonna about just do it for today. My name is Estevan, we are All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.